Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to remove back cover from your device. You can hatch it with your finger here. Then what you will need to do is to remove battery like this. It's very easy. And here you have the place for our cards. Here we have to put our SD card, and here our SIM card, just like this. Then you have to put it like this, then put battery and back cover back on, and turn your device on. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.